Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful heart. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. Follow the instructions kids. First I am going to draw our heart's basic structure. Great job! Our heart is ready. Now I am going to make two big eyes for our heart. Great job, our eyes are ready. Now I am going to make one smiley face. Great job kids, our heart is ready. Now with the help of black marker, I am going to enhance the picture. Great, it is more visible to us now. It's coloring time. I am going to use red color for my heart. You can choose your favorite color for your heart kids. Now I am going to use pink color for completing my picture. I am going to add some detailings. Great, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.